Let's talk about something that quietly separates the good from the truly great in any career: synergy. And no, this isn't just another soft skill buzzword. We're going to dive into why your ability to really connect and work with people is probably the most critical tool you've got. You know, it all comes back to this one simple truth you've heard a million times: no man is an island. It's an old saying, sure, but in the world we live in today, it's not just poetry anymore. It's basically the operating manual for success. This idea is the foundation for everything we're going to get into.
Okay, but let's get real. What does that actually mean for us right now? You know, in the middle of our projects, with deadlines breathing down our necks. How does that old wisdom actually play out in our careers today?
All right, let's jump right in. We're about to explore why that whole lone wolf professional idea, it's officially a thing of the past. This really marks a huge shift in how work actually gets done. You know that romantic picture of the solo genius having a eureka moment all by themselves? It's pretty much a myth. Today, success is a team sport. It doesn't matter if you're coding an app or closing a sale, you almost never cross the finish line alone. And just think about what that really means day to day. Working with others isn't just about the person sitting next to you anymore. It's a 360-degree thing. You're constantly coordinating with your internal team, talking to clients, and dealing with suppliers up and down the chain. It's this non-stop flow of communication from every direction. So this new way of working leads us straight to what is, without a doubt, one of the most critical skills you can have for your career.
This is the stuff that employers are really looking for.
Which kind of begs the question, right? If working together is the new name of the game, what's the one skill you absolutely need to not just play, but to win?
And the answer is this: interpersonal ability. It sounds fancy, but it's really just the skill of working well with other people to get things done. Simple as that. Think of it as the engine that makes every successful team go. And let's be super clear about this. This isn't just some nice-to-have personality trait. It's a definite advantage. I mean, that's a powerful statement. It's not just about being friendly. It's a real, measurable edge that puts you ahead of the pack. Okay, so how do you actually build this advantage for yourself? Well, that brings us to the pillars of team synergy. Let's get practical. It all boils down to two main things. It's a really simple framework, but it's incredibly powerful. First, you build relationships, then you inspire action. You'll see how one flows directly into the other. So let's start with pillar number one: building relationships. Now, the key phrase here is under any circumstances. Look, anyone can be friendly when things are going great. This is about forging genuine trust and rapport when the deadlines are tight and the pressure is really on. And once you have that foundation of trust, it leads right into the second pillar: inspiring action. This is where that connection turns into real accomplishment. It's about taking that rapport you've built and turning it into motivation. Getting your team, your clients, everyone, all aiming for the same goal.
Okay, so let's bring it all home. This is the key takeaway, the one big idea I want you to hold on to from all of this.
So after all that, the shift to teamwork, the power of interpersonal ability, those two pillars, what's the bottom line? What's the single most important point here? Here it is. This is the skill that employers are always looking for. Technology is going to change, job titles will come and go, but your ability to connect with people and motivate them, that is a timeless skill. It never, ever becomes obsolete. At the end of the day, it really boils down to this. This is your mission in every single professional interaction: to build, to connect, and to inspire. It's a simple, powerful loop that is the engine of success. And so, we'll just leave you with this one final thought. As you go into your next meeting or start your next project, just ask yourself this simple question: are you building bridges, or are you being an island?